One of my favorite pottery techniques is bubble glazing because you never know what it's going to look like until the very end. In a large jar, I mix a few tablespoons of underglaze, a few sprays of water to thin it out, and then 1 squirt of dish soap. Then start blowing bubbles into the jar and see what they look like. You want them to rise quickly, be rich in color, and not be popping as they're coming out of the jar. Today I needed to tweak this mixture a little bit because the bubbles weren't rising quick enough, and I realized that I needed a little bit more soap. I keep reusing this jar of bubbles and just put a cap on it until I'm ready to use it next. That way, if I don't need all this underglaze, I don't let it go to waste. And where the real magic happens is when you leave the piece alone and let the bubbles pop by themselves. Sometimes I'm worried about how it looks after the bubbles pop, but I just remind myself to trust the process because it always looks so stunning when it's fired.